Sing us a tune. Sing us a melody. Yeah, I'm gonna make this tonight. So, super quick, easy lunch. What does he come out with? Cubes. When do we ever have cubes?
How good were they though?
Good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. I feel like I haven't vlogged in so long, so today I thought I would pick up my camera and film a little what I ate today video. I also haven't filmed one of these in a really long time, probably months, so yeah, today I thought I would just show you what I'm eating. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, make sure to head over and follow me there, because every single Wednesday I show you what I'm eating, and just in general throughout the week and stuff, I like to show you new recipe ideas and things like that. So today we're gonna make vanilla and chocolate mug cake. Okay, I've prepped you at probably the worst angle ever, but we're just going with it today. So the first thing you need is coconut oil, and I'm just going to put a teaspoon of this in a baking dish, like a ceramic, what are they called? Ramekin? One of these. I'm gonna pop this in the microwave for 30 seconds until it's melted. Also, I've been awake for like 2 hours now and still haven't had my coffee yet, so I need that ASAP. And then the next thing you're gonna do is add maple syrup and a dash of milk. So I like to do my wet ingredients first once that is melted. For my dry ingredients, I have half a cup of oats, and I blended it into flour. I'm gonna do a teaspoon of baking powder. If I remember, I'll write the recipe down below, but oops, that was a little bit too much. Then I've got Happy Way chopped caramel protein powder. I'm just gonna do half scoop because I don't really love protein in baked goods. And then I'm just gonna prop a piece of chocolate right in the center and put that in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. Yum. Alright, so it's lunchtime now. It is 12 o'clock and I am starving. I'm just going to heat up some vegetable soup that my mum actually made for me when she visited on the weekend. I think it made like 8 batches, so I threw a few of them. That's a really hard sentence to say. Threw a few of them in the freezer, and the rest of them I'm just heating up. But for me, I need something to like chew on as well, if that makes sense, and something that has a little bit more protein. So the other thing that I'm going to make are mini homemade pizzas as well. So I've got these English muffins left over from the weekend, and I'm just going to top them with ham and cheese. Pretty basic, but that's all I really had in the house. So I'm going to pop them in the air fryer and have like mini pizzas and vegetable soup, and I'm very excited. They literally only take like maybe 3 minutes in the air fryer, and the soup probably takes about the same. So super quick, easy lunch, and let's get making it.
So fast, all tied up like a captive. I'm to you, used to pay to my own life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I've no more patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger.
I am boiling now after that walk. But I just picked up 2 parcels. So one of them is from Right Away, and the other one is in this random box. I'm pretty sure I know what it is, but I'm gonna open it on camera, because if it's what I think it is, it's a food item. Hey baby, do you want the scissors? It's a food item that I really want to try and could possibly make in this video, if it is what I think it is. So let's open this bad boy up. Oh yes, it is what I thought it was. So the brand Aeroplane, like aeroplane jelly, kindly reached out to me and sent me their new light and creamy mousse mixes. Yeah, I'm gonna make this tonight. How long does it take to make? 4 minutes, and then let sit for 1 hour. Yeah, I'm 100% making this for dessert tonight. This could not have come at a better time. But essentially, it's 52 calories per serve, and it serves 4 people. And literally all you have to do is add 200 mils of light milk into this, and then like beat it with a mixer, pop it into 4 serving dishes, and then refrigerate for 1 hour. How easy is that? And I love chocolate mousse, so I am bloody keen to try this. I'm probably even going to separate it into like 2 serves, let's be honest. So they sent me some jelly. Amazing. So they sent me the low sugar jellies. If you're someone who's in a calorie deficit, these are bomb. I personally don't like the texture of jelly, so I sometimes add them into like baked things. But yeah, these are amazing if you're like dieting or trying to lose weight, because they have amazing flavors and they're basically no calories. Like it's like 7 calories per serve, which is insane. So highly recommend the Aeroplane Jelly Light. This is not sponsored, by the way, they just kindly sent it to me. And while I'm here, not that it's at all food related, I thought I would quickly show you what I picked up from Rhinewear, because everyone loves a little bit of activewear. Ooh, okay, so I picked up this green set. I actually don't have any green leggings, at least I don't think I have any green leggings. So yeah, I just felt like it was perfect for winter and the colder months, and they're in the naked style range, which is by far my favorite range Rhinewear has. It honestly feels like you're wearing nothing. Like they're just skin tight, they're high-waisted, they're seamless. They're just the comfiest leggings ever. I'm obsessed and I love this color. I also got the crops. I love the crop tops in this range because they are like longer than a sports bra. Like if you're someone who's not super confident just wearing leggings and a sports bra to the gym, I feel like these crops are kind of the perfect length because they do cover most of your tummy. And then I also just got the black one as well. So that is what I picked up from Rhinewear, and I am going to go make this mousse now because I'm so excited to have this for dessert. So it's 3 o'clock and I've just made myself a little afternoon pick-me-up coffee, and as a snack I'm just going to have one of these Carmen's protein bars in the salted caramel flavor. I actually haven't tried this one yet, but it was the only thing they had left on the shelf, so I'm going to have this. I'll probably also have a banana at some stage, and yeah, that is the update. So I just got home from training clients and I'm going to head to the gym once Andy gets home. So something I'm going to mix up now is a protein shake with a scoop of creatine in it. This is just the plain flavor, so I like to mix it with my protein powder. Oh, that just blinded me. And I'm going to have, what flavor do I want? I think banana. Banana, Happy Way protein. I'm going to actually have this pre-gym session just because I'm feeling a little bit hungry and I would prefer to have it now instead of afterwards. And I'm also going to have a banana. I think I said in the clip before that I was probably going to have one. I didn't actually have time, so I'm going to have a banana and a protein shake now, head to the gym, and then I'll show you guys what we're having for dinner. Literally holding the knife is a little bit creepy. We are home from the gym now. I'm sorry if it's loud. We have the air fryer warming up. Oops, I just touched a button. Yes. I'm not sure. So tonight we're making homemade Nando's. I had this last night when a friend came over for dinner and it was so good. So I'm very excited to have it again.
That was creepy.
I think I pressed a button.
I did say that.
I did. So Andy's cutting up the Spud Light chips. Best invention ever. And then we're going to use the lemon and herb sauce to marinate the chicken, but you could use like the hot or the mild or whatever, depending on how much you can deal with heat. I cannot deal with heat at all. And then we're going to use these.
Lemon and herb isn't even on the spectrum.
It is on the spectrum, it's the bottom.
No, mild is the bottom.
Yeah, but if you go to Nando's,
So if you want nothing at all, you get lemon and herb.
Probably fair call. And then we're just using these low carb, higher protein wraps. The best. There's also a pizza base that is the same brand as that. It's just like the Woolies home brand, and it is so good. How does it go?
I don't think so, buddy.
I actually can't remember how it goes there. I can remember like the tide is high.
Yeah, it's the other one.
Sing us a tune. Sing us a melody. Come on. I actually can't.
Look what you made me do.
That is why I hate glad wrap.
I'm only a professional.
It is the worst invention. Technically probably for the planet, but also my patience. Can't do it. Does anyone else's husbands, partners, or whatever?
This would be good.
Like, technically I'm very grateful that Andy does dinner a lot of the time. So grateful, because most people don't have that. I'm just being a bit sexist right now. But anytime I ask him to like cut up chips or to cut up chicken this way, like if we're having curry, I say like dice it into small pieces, whatnot, he always does it wrong.
Always is just so incorrect.
Nah, I would say like, you've done it wrong like twice. The other day I was like, can you please cut up chips? The reason why he cuts up the chips is because he just
cut the potato.
He does it so well. I don't know what it is, but he just cuts up the potato into like chips amazingly. And I asked him to do it because we were going to have chips for dinner. What does he come out with? Cubes. When do we ever have cubes?
How good were they though?
I think we've had cubes maybe like once in our 9 years. So I really don't understand what possessed you to cut up cubes. But anyway, that is literally why I started this clip, because I just wanted to ask if anyone else's partners do the same thing, because it's kind of funny.
I don't know what I've done.
No, you're amazing. I'm very grateful that you helped me with dinner. I say you helped me like
You make all of it.
Yeah, you make all of it. But anyway, I'm doing the dishes now. Andy's doing the washing. We are double tasking while dinner is cooking, and then we're gonna eat food. It. These wraps are a bit too small.
I was house the other day. It was his birthday, my brother in Colorado, and there was just I thought we were all dead, but no, I looked it up, and Elon Musk has a SpaceX satellite flying up and around, so if you see a string.
Last but not least for the night are our little chocolate mousses. So on top I'm gonna sprinkle some dark mint Kit Kat. Do you want mint on yours, Andy?
No, thank you.
You're just gonna have plain?
Yeah, maybe.
Are you sure? Sorry, my camera just cut out. But I just chopped up one little finger, I guess you would say. And I'm just gonna put that on top as a little bit of a crunch, but also a little bit of flavor, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you want to see more what I ate today videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.